is no chance. This is the canon way in which the duos fly!
This card has not started for like a month. Oh, that's a good sign. I swear to God, this car starts with a Volkswagen battery. Okay, maybe it has bad gas. Okay, she just needs a little bit Yes! Yes! 90s cars. Just need a little bit of Volkswagen battery. Champion. Oh, taking a piss now.
I don't know about you, but I blame Barney the dinosaur for making me believe that if I love you, you love me. That purple lying bastard.
Look at that water pump. It's brand new. You're fired. You're fired.
All right, seniors, let's open these windows so the world can see your nice white clothes.
That looks brand spanking new. And that's the actual water pump.
Lizard, 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 lizard.
You bet your sweet Bippy I did.
It's too zip tight. She need food for you?
Oh, she said to give me this.
Right, give it to me, I'll eat it now. Chicken!
The chicken double, dude.
Chicken! Pet the chicken! Pet the chicken!
got this!
You bet your sweet bippy I did. Could you imagine if this was in there, like? Buddy. Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I got it. I think I got it. Yes. Oh. Oh, yes. Yes. Okay. With the old. Alright, so clearly after this, I'm pretty much done. Uh-oh. Oh. Ooh. 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 Almost stabbed myself. Damn. That was sketchy.
When I get my wand, oh, you are in for it. Yeah, boy.
What a big dog.
Oof.
You're one of those heroes, aren't you?
Not anymore.
You're watching Disney Channel.
Alright, while that's marinating, I'm install this. There we go. Yep, it's working. Oh, thank God. This gotta come out. Yeah, this gotta come out because there's gonna be a block here. Mikey, you fucker! You didn't even bolt.
He make all our ancestors cry, hiya.
Alrighty. First job complete of the whole entire car. This is gonna go back on, but I'm gonna take all of that out.
It's a corner. Well, fuck you then. I don't know what it is.
Oh, I'm so scared. Alright, here we go. You got outsmarted, you jackass. Okay. That wasn't too bad. Damn, I wish I had a lift. Oh, this would be so easy. So this should stop it from moving. Oh my. Holy shit. Oh. This fucker's on there. Oh, I wish I would break apart right now.
When I get my wand, oh, you are in for it.
Oh, yes. Oh shit, I gotta put this fucker on. Oh. Wait, let's see if I can break it. Oh, I can't break it.
Fuck me, mate. It's a fucking tough gig.
Hello there.
Ain't doing jack, you poophead. Uh-oh. Who are them bitches?
No.
Behold my true power. And despair! Obliterate!
Man, I fucking love Cahoots, and I don't study for shit.
Don't worry about it. Just watch.
I am watching. I'm watching that you put on some new rose and briquette. Okay.
You're the mechanic, you should know.
I don't want to be a full-time mechanic. I just want to know what the fuck goes on with my
Oh, this shit is shot. Oh my god. Ew.
Damn.
Oh no!